Morning, guys. Our day 3 starts with the perfect complimentary breakfast from our hotel. So, since the beginning, I was highlighting Nepal has Himalayan kingdom, Himalayan kingdom, Himalayan kingdom. But is it worth it if I come to Nepal and didn't put my foot on Himalayan range? Totally not, right? That's why we are going to Annapurna. So Annapurna is the Himalayan range in the central Himalaya region of Nepal. So you might be asking, Prabhu, are you going to hike? No, definitely not, guys. Our trip is very short trip. So since our time is limited, we are going by helicopter. We are doing a helicopter ride. So that's why since just now I've been highlighting this name, Prabhu Helicopters, for two reasons. One is we are going a helicopter ride. Second one, very obvious, the company name is my name. Even though I'm not the owner, but I'm so happy that I'm riding a helicopter with my name. The spelling also exact, exact same spelling. Little bit of facts here. Mount Annapurna is the 10th highest mountain in the world. The height is 8,091 meters to be exact. But we are not going till the peak. We are not going there. We are just going to the base camp, which is around 4,000 meters. So the helicopter ride is very straightforward. You get on the helicopter and you will reach the Annapurna base camp. But helicopter ride is a bit pricey, yeah, definitely, because they are doing all the work for us. We don't need to hike or something, right? But if you are a fan of hiking, or if you have a budget but you still want to go and see Annapurna or Himalayan range, then definitely you should choose hiking. Hiking also another lovable experience. I might try hiking next time with a longer holiday. This time it's only 5 days, as I said. Here I'm sharing this helicopter with another 3 friends from Vietnam. So the seating plan is like one person should sit in front with the pilot and the other 3 behind. So I was really hoping for the front seat. I was inside my heart, front seat is mine. I got the front seat. I was so happy, so excited with this.
Pokhara Tower helicopter narrowly by X-ray. Good morning.
Good morning. Morning.
Sir, requesting soft clearance for Annapurna base camp with 0449 on board.
That's why I'm telling guys, traveling is very flexible. You can travel how you want. If you have like shorter duration, you can plan according to it. You have longer duration, you can do something else. You have higher budget, you can do things like helicopter rides. Or if you have small budget, you can still go and see Annapurna with hiking. It's how we want. this helicopter ride is actually very exciting, very amazing. You can tell whatever you want to tell, because throughout the journey, with the mountains, your mountain views and the views from top, it's so good. But when you touch the main point, the moment you have the view from these peaks of Annapurna, oh my god, all the views that you had before was nothing, guys, completely nothing. The moment you can see these Annapurna peaks and you entered that zone, oh my god, you'll feel like I felt like I was in heaven, really. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful I can reach this place. Oh my god, guys, you definitely should experience this, wow. Here, guys, I want to highlight something. Annapurna base camp is totally different from Everest base camp, because prior to this, even I was confused with these two. Both are in Himalayan ranges, but two different mountains. So Annapurna is located closer to Pokhara, and Everest base camp is located nearby to Lukla. Annapurna base camp is less crowded, the trails are less crowded, and also it's less expensive. It's a little bit cheaper compared to Everest base camp. Then I choose Annapurna this time because it's more doable for me, because Pokhara is easily accessible, like I showed before, 20 minutes flight. I'm in Pokhara from Kathmandu, and the closest range to Pokhara is Annapurna. So that's why I chose Annapurna. But the rule is I must touch Himalayan range, and I will today.
Himalayas here. Go down on the helicopter and further, and it's a killer. So beautiful. Everywhere. Himalayas. Woo! It's -18 here.
Okay, guys, you know what? Follow me. Let's walk a little bit there. There's Annapurna welcome signboard, which is very famous. It's like once you reach here, definitely you should take a photo there. Like things to do in Annapurna base camp. Let's go there. Finally, I've reached Annapurna base camp. We are in Annapurna base camp, base of Himalayas. It looks so beautiful, very beautiful. It's magical. It's -18 here, the temperature, and I'm so happy. One thing that I can say here is, Appa, I love you. Thank you. It looks like I'm in heaven. You see there? It's like I'm in the heaven. There, this is a 360-degree view of this Himalayas.
Rarely, sometimes, not in Hanoi, there's snow. Actually, 4 years ago, it's the first time in Hanoi people see snow.
Oh,
Only happened once, never been before.
guys, the ride, the experience was unbelievable. It's completely lovable. Everything was perfect, but there have to be something that have to do a bit of spoiler, right? So we had that also, because once we finish our ride and our time at this base camp, like walk around, take photos and all, apparently the weather turned out to be not suitable for helicopter flying, so that means we have to wait longer for the helicopter. Like there's no idea like whether what time the helicopter will come and all, but there's a good part of it, because initially they said they'll give like around 1 hour like that for us to be around here, but then since the helicopter is late, we have more time. Let's enjoy, it's not every day we get to come to here, like especially Himalayan range, who would believe? I never thought that I'll touch this place ever in my dreams. So yeah, so finally the helicopter arrives. Like it was so cold. Okay, I think I need to go. And you know what, guys, the helicopter is not for us, it was for the other group. So okay, bye bye, let them go first, because they were here earlier and so on. Okay, great, this time it's ours. The pilot signaled, he showed a signal that it's us. So yeah, let's go. But this time let's give the front seat to one of the friend, because he asked me, and I think that's fair, right? Like we all paid the same price, and let everyone enjoy, let everyone get the experience. I have had enough of enjoyment with the views just now. It was magical. So yeah,